So far there's a trail. So far there's a trail. A few days prior, we had got word of a location for a long-eared owl. So, on New Year's, when we were heading home from the Zaxim Bog in northern Minnesota, we made one stop to try and find the owl. We made our way on a frozen trail in the middle of a frozen marsh to an island of trees.
Gotta be quiet, so we're trying to find a long-eared owl. Trying to find the owl. It's proving to be quite difficult. It's cold. At least it's frozen. The marsh is frozen. But I'm having to look through all of this. For a tiny owl. Seems a little impossible, doesn't it? Unbeknownst to me, I walked right by it. And I scared it. So it flew off and I haven't been able to relocate it. It was right in those trees when I first spotted it, and it flew in there. We were able to see it 2 times more, but it was flying. So
Some blue jays began calling, and we started tracking them. And as I was walking along a trail, one popped out on a branch in front of me, made a few crawls as if to say, "Stop, he's right here," and then flew off. I took a few more steps, and boom. Man, it actually kind of startled me.
holy crap. Now just to head back, and which way is that? I guess it's this way. That's probably, I don't know, 20 feet away from him, 15. How far away was I from him? 25. There was a blue jay that kind of let me know he was there, and then I just kind of stumbled upon him, scared me, and just sat there. I think I have to take some pictures and videos of him, so we're gonna let him go to sleep now. What a way to start off. First day of 2025. Long-eared owl. Whew. Very cold.
As we walked back to the car along the frozen marsh, we couldn't shake off the thrill of our encounter. Seeing that owl up close almost felt surreal, like winning the ultimate wildlife lottery. There's something magical about locking eyes with an owl, even just seeing one. It's a privilege that leaves you awestruck and grateful. Our morning adventure lasted from 7:51 a.m. to 11:03 a.m. What's remarkable is that the first bird of 2025 was an owl. A fitting coincidence, given that the last bird of 2024 was also an owl, a snowy owl, as you'll see in an upcoming video. This encounter held special significance too, as it came exactly 1 year after spotting a short-eared owl in the Smoky Mountains. If you thought this was pretty cool, drop us a comment and share your own surreal birding experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.